Shalom, this is Yehudit from Sefirot. This will be the last video for a while that I'm doing in Israel. We're heading off for the visit to the States for 8 weeks tonight, early tomorrow morning. So I'm going to do today, which is the 17th day of the counting of the 40 blessings between Gevurah and the 17th of Tammuz, and I hope to continue the whole series while I'm in the States. So today is a new level. We're in the 5th level, actually. We've had Chokmah, Bina, Keter, Chokmah, Bina, Hesed. We're in Gevurah, the 5th level. So as a reminder to myself, the rainbow system, it's blue, and the Zohar, it's red for Gevurah, so I have red pattern on my blue. And also the level of Chokmah, which is the level we're on today for the bet of Bracha, is sometimes considered a very dark blue. Rabbi Meir Sender calls it the color there, dark blue. That's one of the versions. And so I'm wearing that to remind me for the bet. And the bet is also, since it's the first of the double letters, it corresponds to the Sunday of the week, which is the day of Hesed of the week, every week. So in the scarf, I've got a kind of blue-purple combination for the rainbow combinations of Hesed and Gevurah. Anyway, that's my color system for today to remind me. And the movements. So we're back to the bet. The bet from the side. I'm going to do the lifting foot bet. 1, 2, 3. They're both lifting the foot, but this is just straight forward. In and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you were to actually be making that bet with a dagesh, you would add, either while you're up here if you have the balance, or as you come down. For a bet, rather than a bet. But I just do the form of the bet there. So, that's the bet, and then the nikudah that goes with Gevurah is the shvana. So it's one dot on top of the other. And I do right hand high. As my hands go up, little dip coming up, and then one in front of my face, one in front of my chest, and I go separate, and they parallel each other as they come down. Coming up, always keeping the knees slightly bent. And another one. So this is the combination I'm going to do today. So let's start. I'm going to do it facing you. So starting with the bet, left heel off first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to go left. That's catching. And 1, 2, stop. Stepping to the right. I'm going to do doubles for the top 3. Down to the world of Yetzirah with Hesed. So I'm stepping to the right, just starting with my right foot. And stepping to my right. And Gevurah, I'm also going to do double. left, and stepping to the left. And for Tiferet, I'm going to start on one side and move to the other. So I'm going to start on the right side. Move across to the left. And go back to the right for Netzach, which is the right side. I'll do it as a double. And for hold, double on the left. For your sewed, I'm going to move back to the right and then cross over. Right, left, right foot up, and then going to the left because it goes in the middle column. And Malkut is also in the middle column, and I'm going to start on the left here. Raising the left foot. And going to the right. And then pausing for the Malkut of letting Hashem breathe me. Receiving Hashem's breath in order to act in the world. Be alive. And be connected to Hashem with every breath. The bet is the first position, is associated, as I mentioned, with Chokmah, and also with the Yud K Vav K. I'm wearing my Yud again to represent that level, the breakthrough level of one-pointed awareness. So I want to bless us that we will take care of our houses. The bet is like a house. And I've been working on cleaning my house all day long because we rent it out in the summer while we're gone. And there's still some time if you want to contact me for some open space during the summer. That's a little ad stuck in here. But the sense of cleaning or fixing my bed, my house, my environment in a way that is at one with the flash of the Yud, of that knowing, a wholeness of knowing just how things should be. I think there's something about the aesthetic quality which is associated with Hod often, but there's something about that one-pointed knowing, that intuitive sense of the whole that allows us to place things in the right position, to fix things in the right way. So I bless us all, but we need know how to have the wisdom to do the fixing in connection with Hashem, and have the ability in Gevurah to have the strength to set our boundaries when we need to, stop when we need to, and have our borders clear and be able to communicate them to others. All blessings to you.